The beautifulness of Bolangir. It's a beautiful town with natural forest everywhere. You can see here, and also we'll go some more roads. Beautifulness of the road is there. Every person is good, and the natural phenomenon, the natural sceneries. It also very good here. This is the small town of Bolangir, which is famous for its you can see we're moving there on a scooter, and it's my view. It's one of the best place here in Bolangir. It is just tremendous efforts. You can see here, this is the every year we are going to big this is small town, small village, small cottage, mud house. You can see here the mud house, the people, and the beautifulness of this land. This is the land you can see here. The people cultivate rice because this is rainy seasons, and always this is coming here, and you can see them beautiful sceneries here, like Ooties and other hill stations. You can see the trees topped with the clouds. Very good rainy seasons is there. Beautiful forest are there. Beautiful cropland are there. Everywhere greenery is there. So it's a beautiful things what you'll see here. You can see here the beautiful sceneries. The beautiful sceneries all over the township. You can see it here also. The forest, you can see the image, small towns, and the forest and cropland too. These are the beautiful forests, and you can see the climate is so good, so cool, and so refreshing, and it's all about this natural climate of Bolangir. The forest is very good forest, and it's very cool. And now we are going one of the most important place. It is the Ashram. That is called Gandhrel Ashram, and you can see here some point to Radharaman Anath Ashram, Gandhrel, Bolangir. This is, you can see here the signboard, and inside this school you have so many things. We are now entering into this climate. So here's the Anganwadi centers, and you can see the beautifulness forest and the beautiful environment which is situated here. Beautiful environment. Here's the Anganwadi center, and there are so many trees. You can rest. The dogs. Then this is a school. This is a beautiful school. You can see here. And there are so many areas. It's the Gandhrel Ashram. You can see everywhere. There are children are there. Some Anath Ashram is there. This is the Gosala. You can see here. And this is cow shed. In Hindi we are in Gosala. And the beautiful sceneries coming out of that. Here are also some beautiful things are there. The forest are there. The trees, the mango trees. Here are so many mango trees are there, you can see. And so many government and program is going on here. You can see here from here. So many peoples are there. And this is the beautiful remains of this ashram. That is Gandhrel Ashram. Here you can see it all over the time and all over where the forest is, the trees, the banyan trees, mango trees, and the flowers. Some playing instrument for kids also there. And in front you can see this is a temple of Lord Krishna. You might have seen it. The Lord Krishna's temple is in front of the trees here, and here everything is there for people who can come here for a refreshing mind. You can spend hours here. The beautiful forest. You can see the forest here, and this is refresh yourself, and you can listen some birds. Cuckoo is there. The sound of cuckoo is coming here, and this is where going towards the temples. And everywhere you can see this landscape. It's a very good landscape, looking very nice, beautiful, with so many of trees. You can see here so many beautiful trees found here, with a beautiful landscape, beautiful stones. It's a very good situation, very refreshing. It's very refreshing. And here in rainy seasons you can see some streams also. The water stream also you can see here found somewhere else. You can see this beautifulness, the beautiful trees, the beautiful stones, and all these things is sufficient to refresh your mind and soul both. This is a very interesting place, along with a devotional place. Here temples are there. You can see the water and the stone level. Due to the rain, some water streams are coming out. Last night there is a rain, that's why you can see the flowing water here. You can see here the flowing water, and this is the beautiful sceneries you can see here. I just love this place, and whenever I get some leisure time, I come to this place for my refreshment. Here also you can see some running water coming out of the stones. And this is the beautiful place, beautiful ashrams. There are so many temples, 2 to 3 temples are there, very small temples. And here you can see art here in the stone. You can see one art that is in the stone. This art is of Lord Jagannath, and there is a snake. So these are the beauty of this place. The stones are so beautiful, and here is the temples. We are coming here. Beautiful temples. This is the water stream. You can see the water everywhere, and there is a small ponds water you can see here. I'm looking at you. That is just nearer to this. This is a small pond just nearby this, and here. So this is the beautiful sceneries you can see, and nearby this only this medical college of Bolangir is going on. Near this beautiful environment, here you can see and listen the music of birds. It's a very cool place, very beautiful place where you can see this climate never before, and all around you can see this forest covered with clouds all around the 360 view of this ashram. I'm going to show you. These are these ashrams 360 views, 360-degree views, and it's a beautiful place. And you can see here some interesting, beautiful sceneries. If you are a nature lover, if you love nature, this is a perfect place for you. And this is that scenery. So what we have look at with beautiful sceneries. Very good. There's on the stone. You can see here clearly. You can see the bell ringing there inside the temple. And this is very beautiful, very much refreshing. Just looks like a beautiful nature's area. This is the in front of temples. You can see a lady with a pot of tulsi, which is a very divine tree according to Hindu. It's a very divine tree, and the tulsi, the leaves is very. It's a very divine things. It's need always in worship of Hindu pujas. You can see here the temple. Here the beautiful temple. It's the right temple in the right locations with these beautiful locations of natural climatic conditions. Thank you very much. Very good.